Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can uninstall or remove a program on your Windows in your PC or laptop or wherever. I'm just going to type in programs. If I can just type add or remove programs. And select the program that you want to remove. For instance, you want to remove this one. Select the three dots and then select uninstall. Then select uninstall again. Then press yes. Press yes. And then press yes again. Press OK, and that's how you can basically uninstall or remove any apps that you don't want or programs that you don't want on your Windows. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!